Today is World Environment Day. It is sad we have to talk of the heartless killing of a pregnant elephant. Have you ever looked into the eyes of an elephant? They are far more sensitive, kind, and family oriented than most human beings. A mother elephant holds a baby for 18 to 22 months in a womb, which is 2 times longer than a human mother does. How could we do something so heartless to a creature as magnificent as her? Like any human mother, an elephant mother also plays with her baby, grooms them, and brings them up with endless love for years. From where does this arrogance come in human beings to steal their life, their land, their babies, their bodies, and their future? We can't kill them and get away with it just because they can't penalize us. How can we be so cruel to Mother Earth's children? One simple virus could teach us a big lesson, take the lives of so many, and break the back of entire world's economy. Have we not learnt our lessons yet? One would expect some realization would have dawned on us. Some heart and some feeling would have awakened. Sadly, it does not seem to have happened. We can't be a nation who worships Vinayaka but kills elephants. India is not this. We are a people who woke up every morning and sought blessings not only for all human beings but for every living creature on earth. We chanted, Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu, Lokan Samastan Sukhino Bhavantu. Let us return to our soul. Let us reconnect with who we actually are. Let us take a few moments and seek forgiveness from all Mother Earth's creatures. Please close your eyes. Place your palms on your heart and internally apologize to every living being on whom you may have perpetrated cruelty. Let us all ask forgiveness from that mother elephant who suffered agony, lost her own life, and that of her baby helplessly. You may now open your eyes. On this World Environment Day, let us all make a decision not to buy any object of beauty or prestige that may have been created from hurting an animal.